All right, it is another banger video, and guess what? It is another new week. I will be doing what I know how to do best, as I normally do. All right, nothing really much. Before this video start, as usual, I am going to be giving you 50 press up as a viewer. All right, nothing really much. So let's get it started. All right. Nothing really much, and I'm just going to take you to the next clip. All right, so make sure you stay to the end and see how this week is going to go. All right. All right, chat, chat your chart so that what chat will not forget to chat you. All right, so it is another new banger week. I am going to be doing what I know how to do best as usual. All right, nothing really much, and today is currently Monday, and I can say the week is just getting started. All right, so on my previous video I said I wasn't going to trade this month anymore because why? I've been on a serious losing streak based on the present market condition. All right, I can put the blame to the present market condition, and I can also put the blame to myself for not knowing that this market condition is the market condition I am not supposed to involve myself in trading forex. So it is what it is, and I said I won't trade anymore in this particular month, but I take maximum 10 trades in a month. Maximum. Some months I hit 10 trades, some months I don't hit 10 trades. But this particular month I'm still currently on 8. I still have 2 trades to take in this particular January before I actually hit my maximum trade target for the month. So not really much, and for that reason I am still going to look for opportunity this particular week. I'm still going to look for opportunity this particular week, because why? I still have 2 trades to take more in this particular trading month before I call it a month. So nothing really much. For that reason I am still showing my charts. That is just it. So nothing really much, and I'm just going to be observing the charts to this particular week to see if I am going to see any particular or any valuable trades for me to execute in this particular month again. All right, nothing really much. So it is what it is, and if this is your first time coming to my channel through this particular video, you are welcome. You are really welcome. And this channel is where I document my trades weekly from Monday to Friday. I document my trade experience. If I'm trading emotionally or if I'm trading normal, I document it weekly in this particular channel. All right, so all you just need to do to follow up this channel is just subscribe, and also click your thumbnail, your notification bell as well, so that you can get notified whenever I drop any video. All right, that is just it. So, and one thing I'll show you about this particular channel is that you are going to see trading for what it is, because I am 100% transparent in this particular documentary. So you can do well to just click the subscription button so that you can learn from my own experience, and you can also learn from my own charts as well. You can learn from my technical analysis as well. It is something I assure you. All right, nothing really much. So it is what it is, and I am just going to get this particular week started, and you are welcome to this particular episode. All right, nothing really much. So what I'm going to be sharing in this particular episode is simply just my trade setup when I am in the trade, when I exit the trade, either in profit or in loss, and also my P&L, and also my psychological and emotional experience I'll be passing through this particular week. All right, nothing really much, and it is what it is. So there's something about this particular trading season at this particular moment as well. The chart is kind of a very in a bullish way that I really can't find an opportunity. So I doubt if I'm going to see an opportunity in this particular week, but if I see, I am always going to execute. All right, but I doubt, because due to the way a chart is actually showing itself or presenting itself in this particular week and in this particular trading season, so I doubt if I'm going to see an opportunity. But if I see any valuable opportunity, I'll do well to update you guys and also execute that trade as usual. All right, nothing really much, and let's see how this particular week goes. All right, chart, show chart your chart so that what chart will not forget to chart you. It is another banger new week for me. All right. Alright, nothing really much, and I'm just going to update you on my chart. Price has really been going all the way up, as you can see, and this is currently Euro USD. So there's nothing really much for this pair, and the only opportunity I have seen this particular week that looks like it is going to come is actually this pair, this break of structure here, and my other block, and also my liquidity and as well. But this liquidity is not yet complete. I'll still expect price to actually continue coming down and also doing something like this before I actually confirm this zone to be a very valid zone for me. But for now, I'm just forecasting the opportunity and nothing much. So for other pairs, which is GBP USD and XE USD, which I trade, I really don't have anything in this particular pair. So there is this zone I've been watching to buy from on XE USD, this particular zone, but look how price has been doing. It has really been going up without returning to the other blocks I want to buy from. That has been using, I think, the breaker block and all that to continue buying to the upside, which I don't trade. So that is just it for it. It has really been bullish going to the upside, and it is currently at its all-time highs, as you can see, over 5,290. So it is good for you at the moment. And GBP USD, I have this zone as well, GBP USD, which I'm also observing these two zones. I'm observing these zones, so I would just really like price to come down and give me some type of structural liquidity around here. Then I'll be looking to take my entries, but for now, no opportunities. I'm just looking at them and observing them till I see every confluence I need before I actually execute the trade and all that. So the time is already 8:59 a.m. and it is Wednesday. It is Wednesday morning, so I'm just observing, nothing really much. Like I said, this particular trading season is just what it is for me. So the only thing I'm actually observing right now is GBP USD. It's just GBP, sorry, Euro USD, and I think this one will come sooner, probably on Friday, or on Friday. Then this on Friday or later on today, this setup will complete. But I really don't know, but I'll just be observing it. Alright, so nothing really much, and I think I will just I would also have to show you the news. I think the news we have today. So today being Wednesday, these are the news I'm currently watching out for. 8 p.m. on USD. On USD, there is actually federal funds rates, FOMC meeting and FOMC press conference. So around it, I'll be observing this news to see what it is going to actually do in the chart. Alright, so for now, I really don't have trade. I'm not taking any trade in this particular week. I'm just observing it, observing the chart and waiting for the right opportunities to actually present themselves in full before I said okay, it is time to trade. But for now, I just have to sit back and keep observing the market. nothing really much. So I'll just have to see you in my next clip. Alright, chat, show chat your chat so that chat will not forget to chat you. So nothing really much, and as you can see, this is just quick update on Euro USD, and the time is currently 11:12 p.m. on Wednesday. So if you watch my previous clip, I talked about this particular opportunity, and by that time price was actually at this point or thereabouts. So as you can see, this is what price has done over time today, and nothing really much. So with what I've seen, price has really given me what I will call my liquidity or my inducement for this particular opportunity. So I'll just keep observing. Well, I've set my pending order though, but I'll just keep observing and seeing what is going to happen. So this particular opportunity has been confirmed a valid opportunity for me, and I'm going to risk in it nothing really much. So what I just want to see is price continue coming down and still doing whatever it wants to do at this particular point. So let's just see how it goes. Alright, I'm risking over 55. Like, the market is actually volatile at the moment due to the high pricing, and for my position sizing, this is what I normally use on a stop loss, but at the moment this is supposed to be at least, I think if price was cheap, this thing was supposed to be like 22 pips or thereabout, but in this particular market condition it has to be 55 pips, and I'm just taking it only in my dollar account. I won't be able to take it in my naira account because that risk is too much, but I'm only risking it in my dollar account, and let's see how it goes. Alright, nothing really much. So make sure you do to subscribe as you keep watching. Alright, this is just quick update on Euro USD, and I'll just see how this one goes. Nothing much. Alright, quick one for this particular episode, quick update. Alright, so like I said, and I've been saying, if you continue to watch my video, you are going to get educational videos from me free. Alright, and in this particular episode I am going to actually teach you how to catch structures that has high chances of working, at least 80% chance of working, 70% chance of giving you a winning trade. So I'm going to teach you that in this particular episode, and all you just need to do is continue watching the video, and you are going to actually approach the clip that teaches how to catch high probability opportunities using structures, liquidity, and other blocks entry. Yes, so it is a free gift from me to you as my viewer, and that is just a way for me to tell you thank you for viewing my video. Alright, nothing really much. So all you just need to do is continue staying to the end of this particular episode and see this particular video. This is a particular educational video I have for you. Alright, nothing really much. And number 2, make sure you do well to subscribe to this particular channel so that you will actually get notified when I drop videos, because each and every one of my videos has something to actually teach you as a new trader or intermediate trader. Alright, this is just a channel where I share my experience trading forex weekly, how I manage my trades emotionally, and how I manage my trade technically and also psychologically. So in this particular video you are going to get a free educational content from me. I won't really lie, so make sure you do well to stay to the end and subscribe. Alright, chat, show chat your chat so that chat will not forget to chat you. See you in my next clip. Alright, quick update on my chat, and this is actually just the Euro USD opportunity I am actually watching in this particular trading week. Alright, so today is currently Thursday and the time is 5:31 p.m. Alright, so as you can see, I won't really lie, this setup is actually looking nice, and and gradually it is kind of giving me the type of confluence I actually need. So I actually call this a very nice trading opportunity for me. Alright, it's kind of giving me that type of confluence, but no room to judge for now until the trade actually activates and do what it wants to do. That is just it. So this one I just quick update on Euro USD. And also there's something I also have, and I'm also looking at on GBP USD. Alright, so in this GBP USD, it's actually showing kind of the same structure with Euro USD. Remember earlier I'm actually looking at this particular zone to buy from, right? I'm looking at this particular two zones to buy from, but at the moment I'll be looking at it, but I'm considering it in my mind, in my technical mind, and all that, right? That price has higher chances of actually continue going to the upside from this zone. This is the break of structure. Though this is the break of structure, the last break of structure. Though this is the last break of structure, right? This is the last break of structure, and the other block for this particular break of structure is around here, and I'm going to mark it. So here is it, and it also has a kind of liquidity which is around here. So for this particular structure, this is where the point of interest actually is. What I'm looking at, since I don't have the plan to actually trade this particular opportunity, though the reason why I'm just overlooking it is just the market is actually very, very, very expensive at the moment. The normal position sizing I use to take that 25 pips to 30 pips is actually showing me just 15 pips at the moment. So my maximum pips is actually like 30 pips, but in this present market condition, I'm actually compromising to use above 30 pips, so I won't end up getting wicked off. So that is just it. But the only problem is that I won't be able to take these trades in my Naira account due to the type of risk. The pips are too high and all that, so I won't be able to take these trades in my Naira account. So for this structure, I'm looking at buying at this particular zone, not the first zone. Though this first zone might hold, but if they choose to like look for people's stop losses and all that for a little bit, that means I will be triggered in this particular second zone. So I'm also looking at this particular opportunity on GBP USD right now, and it is part of my trading system. So here is the structural liquidity for this particular opportunity, and let me show you what I'm talking about concerning the pips calculation and all that. So you see this little position sizing is actually 97 pips, which is very, very abnormal. So due to where the price at the current moment, the price is actually expensive, and in cases like this, you just have to admit the fact of using a very, very huge amount of pip stop loss in order to just survive the market and all that. So for this particular one, let me see, I think I'll be using 43 pips for this particular opportunity. I'll be using 43 pips to target my usual 1 to 3 hour, which is going to be around this zone, and it's approximately 132 pips. All right, so that is just it for this particular trading week, and 2 opportunities are there for me in this particular week. So I don't know when these opportunities are going to get activated, because today is currently Thursday. So I don't know, it might be tomorrow, it might be next week, but whichever way, I've spotted 2 opportunities out, and I'll just be back and just be observing them. All right, so for XAUUSD, here is what I'm currently observing in this particular pair as well. I want to buy from this zone on XAUUSD. As you can see, price has started trying to spike down on its own way, and I would like to buy from here. So I don't know how long it is going to take, but whenever price get to this zone, I'll be looking for buys, and that might be probably next week as well. That is just it for it. So let's see. So Euro USD, this is my opportunity, my outlook on Euro USD at the moment, and also GBP USD. This is also my outlook on GBP USD. So I'll just be waiting for this particular zone to actually execute a buy trade and all that. That is just it. So whenever the trade triggers, I'll do whatever I want to do, and I'm just going to update you guys. All right, not really much, and make sure you do well to stay to the end to see how this particular trading week is is going to end up for me. And don't forget, I have an educational video coming in this particular episode. All right, so do well to benefit from it. All right, find the value in it and make use of it. That is just it, man. So see you in my next clip. All right, so quick update on this particular trading week, and nothing really much. So it has come to the end of this week, and today is currently Friday, and the time is, I think, 5 o'clock p.m. or 5:05 thereabout. Nothing really much. So this is what it is in this particular week. This particular week is a great trading week for me because I didn't get to trade emotionally. So I followed my structure this particular week, and trading in this particular week is just what it is. So in this week, I did not actually take any trade, but there are still some setups I'm actually looking at, and price is even almost close to my entry point. But those trades has not been triggered in this particular week. So I'm not just going to take it as if I take any trade in this week, because at the end of the day, even if those trades get triggered in this particular week, it is going to be over the weekend, and it's going to be next week. So if they end up activating my order this particular week, so this means that I'll be taking trades this week, but I won't be seeing the result this week, which tells me that I did not actually took any trade in this particular trading week, because I did not close any trade this particular week. So I'm just going to sit back and continue observing the chart. Nothing really much. All right, so if you've watched this video to this particular point, I just want to tell you congratulations, and I also want to appreciate you for that, because it shows that you are going to be one of the professional traders soon. Because if you get to watch videos like this, you are trying to adapt to how trading looks like in real life, how trading actually looks like in real life, not just showing profit and loss in internet and all that. So it is what it is, because in this particular channel I normally show you my setup, when that setup is going to be activated, and when that setup is playing out either in profit or in loss. That is what I normally do in this channel. So for that reason, you are going to know the reality of trading. All right, nothing really much. So for the video, the educational video I talked about, I am going to be doing it in the end of this particular video. So all you just need to do is continue watching to the end, because in that video I'm going to teach you how to catch structures that has high probability way of actually working out and all that. I'm going to just show you how to catch those structures, and if you can be disciplined and follow those steps, I assure you that you are actually going to get winning trades easily. All right, nothing really much. Nothing much, and you just need to stay to the end of this video to actually see this offer, this gift I have for you, because it's actually a gift due to why it is a free knowledge from me to you. So it is, as a viewer, yeah, it is a free gift from me to you, knowledge as well. So nothing really much. So I'm just going to take you to my chart to show you the quick updates on this particular opportunity I am observing in this particular week, and after that I'm also going to do the educational video showing you how to catch structures that actually has high probability chance of giving you a win. All right, nothing really much. So make sure you do well to actually subscribe to this particular channel, so that whenever I drop videos, important videos, I normally drop my videos like this weekly documentary videos, I drop it like Saturday 8 a.m. So if you can just subscribe and click on the notification bell, you are going to get notified whenever I drop that video, and all you just need to do is watch it and get the value you need to get from it to take your trading from point A to point B. All right, nothing really much. So I really appreciate you for watching this video to this point, and I'm just going to take you to my chart. All right, chart, should chart your chart, so that chart will not forget to chart you. See you in my chart, fam. All right, chat, show chat your chart so that chat will not forget to chat you. All right, so I am about to show you my chart, and here is it. So this is just a quick update on that particular Euro USD trade I updated you earlier in my clip. All right, so as you can see, price is almost close to the zone. Like I think this is about how many pips above the zone I want to buy from. So this is about 10 pips above the zone I want to buy from, and nothing really much. Without it being said, this trade might get activated in this particular week, which is Friday. And like I said earlier, I won't really count it as a trade in this particular week because I am less assured that I'm going to close this trade in this week. So I won't count it as a trade for this week, because at the end of the day, it's going to be trade for next week, because when I close it next week, either in loss or in profit, this stuff is just going to be documented in next week history. So for that reason, I won't say I'm going to take this trade is for this week. But whichever way, anything can really happen. Price can probably get to this particular zone and even hit my SL today, because the market is going to close around like 10 p.m. So you can just get to this zone around that time and hit my SL, or you can get to this zone and buy before that time. And anything can really just happen. I don't really know, but anything can happen. So for this particular entry, I'm actually targeting just 1 to 3 RR, which is approximately how many pips? 165 pips. That's my target, but I'm just putting my take profit here so that I might choose to just continue holding whenever price give me reasonable reasons to hold, because this is actually an uptrend and price has potential to get to this particular zone. So I might just choose to continue holding and nothing really much. So this is just the update for Euro USD, and as you can see, this thing actually has every confluences I need. I won't really lie to you. All right, so let's just see how it is going to play out. Euro USD, and the time is currently 5:36 p.m. on Friday. So for GBP USD, same thing on GBP USD. This is what I want to buy from my recent structure. Hold on. This is my recent structure I would like to buy from on GBP USD, and I've set my order in this particular pair. Same thing, and I will just see how it goes. All right. So in this structure, I'm actually targeting 3 RR, and here is it. So my pending order has been set, and I'll just sit back and continue observing. So I'll continue to update you guys in this trade. If it activates in this particular week, I'm actually going out to go and play game. So if I come back and I see that it has been activated, I might still update you in it and show you. But if it doesn't activate this week, it's going to be next week. I'm going to continue it in my next week episode. All right, not really more. So if you stay to this particular part of this video, make sure you do well to continue staying, because the educational content or educational video is right along the corner. All right, so make sure you continue staying so that you can get the value you need to get in this particular episode. All right, not really much. So that is just it for it. So for XAUSD, this is just the update on XAUSD. As you can see, XAUSD has really been dropping massively in the whole of today, and it is kind of approaching the zone I want to buy from, as you can see. And without it being said, I might even set my pending order right now. So I'm just going to be carefree in this particular trade. So even if I'm not in chart, whenever I get to that zone, it can just take me in it. So nothing really much. All right, so that was just it for it, and I'm just going to see in my next clip, and make sure you do well to stay to the end so that you can get that particular trading educational video I have for you, teaching you how to catch valuable and high probability structures opportunity. All right, so see you in my next clip. Chat, show chat your chat so that chat will not forget to chat you. All right, quick update on this particular Euro USD trade, and as you can see, the time is currently 8:57 p.m. on Friday, and the trade finally activates. So this trade was activated around, let's see, so around, I think, yeah, around 6 p.m. the trade triggered, and as you can see, it is currently running. Nothing really much. So I'm just going to sit back and observe. So this particular trade is just going to end up becoming a very swing trade. That I'm going to hold it over the weekend, Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and also throughout the week. So I don't know when this trade is going to bring out its results, but for now the trade is officially active. So for GBP USD trade, as you can see, price is still yet to come to this particular zone, and I think that's why Euro USD is actually dropping. So I don't know why these two pairs they are kind of acting like this, but whichever way it is already. So I'm still observing GBP USD and nothing really much. So for XAUSD, crazy thing happened. very crazy thing happened. I entered, do you know what, I was supposed to enter this XAUSD trade aggressively. I set my pending order in this particular trade you are seeing. I'm not gonna lie to you, but when I set my pending order, I realized that like the market at this particular point is very cost and volatile. I don't know which word I will use, but normally in pip stop loss like this, like let's say this particular size of pip stop loss is normally like 18-20 pips for me, but as you can see, it is about 90 pips, which I won't even really want to risk in it. So I set my pending order, then I checked the risk. I was supposed to be risking like $28 or $30, but I checked, I saw over $90 risk, and that's not the risk I take for a single trade in that particular account. So I had to deactivate it. So deactivating it, I just came back home and I saw that price actually sold to the downside and reacted massively. That means this thing means that I assume I did not deactivate that trade, I would have ended up losing this particular trade, which is very crazy. Which is very crazy. So it is what it is. Following my plan actually saved me this particular trade, and it is a good thing for me. I'm not going to really lie. It is a very good thing for me. So it is what it is for my peers, and I think it has really come to the end of this particular episode, and it is just going to be next week. So next week I'm going to update you guys. I'm going to continue updating you on Euro USD trade, which is this one, and also we'll see if GBP USD get to trigger today or next week. I don't really know for now, so let's just keep observing it. All right, nothing really much. So for the educational video, it is just going to be the next video after this one. So make sure you do well to stay to the end to see what I have and how you can pick out the value in that particular video. All right, so I'm just going to come back next week to do what I know how to do best. All right, see you in the educational video.